Setting up a live stream to YouTube or Facebook. Go to Live, Live Stream, click Create Live Stream, choose your topic, when your live will be streamed, your time zone and your duration of the stream. Simply click Create once you've filled in all the details. Now your live stream has been set up. You can start your live stream straight away from here, Start Live. You can also add a co-host if you wish to have a co-host accompany you. If you go back to live stream here, you can see all of the live streams that you've set up, and you're able to go in and edit these or start the live from the live stream dashboard. To start your live, simply click Start Live. If you start your stream before 15 minutes before the scheduled time, you cannot start your live. You can only start the live 15 minutes before the event starts. Zoom allows you to start 15 minutes early and run over your time zone by 15 minutes. If you run over 15 minutes, then the stream will stop. As we have 1 minute or 59 seconds until the live starts, we can now start the live. Click Start Live, and Zenler will connect to Zoom. Just click Launch Meeting and open Zoom. As you can see, my Zoom session has started, and I can now go live on Facebook or on YouTube. You can also go live on Twitch and live on Workplace by Facebook. And you can also do a live custom live streaming service to connect to those as well. Please note you can live stream on one of these only.